Hello, everybody. My name is William Green, and today we will be discussing the problem of scale in government. The first video that Dr. Livingston was discussing was talking about the Hobbesian consolidated government that was discussed in Leviathan. Now, when we look at a consolidated government in today's form, we can look at this more as a nationalized government. And Hopkins, in his book, actually discusses how nationalized government in this consolidated form actually leads to a breakdown of the local constituency not getting what it needs because everyone's more focused on the national issues. You see a politician who would have normally paid more attention to his actual constituency is now paying attention to hot button issues that have nothing to do with what's going on where he's from. But as the republic expands geographically and demographically, the connections are going to continue to break down, and power moves away from the people more to a bureaucratic notion. In large-scale governments, this ends up becoming a problem. The answer to this was going to be the Jeffersonian vision of local republicanism. Jeffersonian wards he discusses are these consolidated these smaller groups of people that are coming together because they have a locality, they have something in common. They're able to actually get to know each other, and every person has something that they share, and they participate in the government. Jefferson is going to encourage these wards in an active participation in the Republican government through jury duty, through militia service, and through education. So the Jeffersonian ward is an answer, but it's only a part of the answer, because you can make government small, but not even with small government, not everyone's interests are going to be met. Now comes a concept that could be applied in a manner that would make it successful, but at the time it was developed, it was something that was seen as a little bit more controversial, and that's John C. Calhoun's idea of the concurrent majority as discussed in his disquisition on government. The concurrent majority says that we have a group, we have people that represent multiple different groups, and that these multiple different groups would therefore make it possible for every group to feel represented and feel they get what they're really looking for. While the theory was originally used for the protection of slavery, it could be used to meet the local needs of a community in a more contemporary means. So, with that in mind, if we were to implement a Republican government with a concurrent majority, or with a system of concurrent majority, it would make it it would reduce this issue of scale and move us further away from the possibility of the anarchy of Hobbesian Leviathan. Thank you.